In today's movie, I'm going to talk to you about Gmail. You can set a schedule to send an email. You can also set a confidentiality for the email where you have passcodes, passwords to get in, and where you can set the email to expire so that the email no longer exists. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to talk you through certain of the things I'm not going to show you in the video. So I'm not showing you my email address or recipients. So I'm doing this on an iPhone. So if you go into the search bar on your iPhone and type in Gmail, then you go to compose, and then you type in the recipient's name, then you tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. So here you can see a schedule, so you can pick a date and time. And now I'm going into confidentiality mode. You can set the custom expiry time, and you can set passcodes or SMS codes. Once you've done that, you can tap on done and send your email. Please like and subscribe to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.